Hey there! Welcome back to another session of Unboxing Hiver. Today, I'm going to walk you through Hiver Omni's Live Chat, which is honestly one of the fastest ways to start offering real-time support. It's got AI built in and collaboration baked right in, everything in one place, so your team isn't jumping between tools. All right, so let's dive in. So we'll start in the admin panel. This is basically home base. All your chat inboxes, all the settings, everything starts here. First thing you'll do is create a chat inbox and customize the chat widget. And this part's pretty simple. You add your logo, your brand colors, tweak the welcome text, just enough so it actually feels like it belongs on your website, and not like some random plugin. You can also decide how the bot shows up. Give it a name, add an avatar. Nothing fancy, just enough personality. Once that's done, you copy the script we give you and paste it into your site's HTML, right before the closing body tag. Super quick. And the widget shows up right away. Next up is the pre-chat form. This is where you collect the basics: name, email, maybe what the issue is. It just gives your team context before the conversation even starts, which honestly saves a ton of back and forth. And this is exactly what customers see. A simple form, they fill it out, and then the chat kicks off. Clean, clear, no confusion. Now, one thing I really like is that you decide how customers connect with you. You can go fully human-led, you can use rule-based chatbot flows, or you can let an AI agent jump in with instant answers, no waiting. So let's look at the human-led experience first. When a new chat comes in, it lands in the unassigned view. Agents can pick it up manually, or you can auto-assign chats using round-robin or first response logic, so nothing slips through. Inside the inbox, agents can switch between views. Unassigned, mine, team, tags, closed, everything's right there. And when they open a chat, there's a context panel on the side with all the important stuff: customer details, tags, status, past conversations, so they're not flying blind. To reply faster, agents can use chat templates. Just type a /, pick a response, and boom! Consistent, on-brand replies without retyping the same thing all day. Once the conversation wraps up, customers automatically get a CSAT survey. Agents can also share the full transcript if needed, which keeps things clean and transparent. Now, if your team's offline, say after business hours, you can show a custom offline message and route chats straight to email. So you still capture the question, even if no one's around at that moment. Hiver also helps during busy periods. You'll get missed chat alerts if something waits too long, and you can even auto-mark chats as missed so nothing just sits there unnoticed. And if too many chats go unanswered back to back, you can automatically switch the inbox to offline mode, so customers aren't left waiting forever. All right, now let's talk about flows. Flows guide customers step by step, so they either get answers quickly or get routed correctly, without needing a human right away. You start by setting up your AI agent. Pick a name, an avatar, again, just enough to feel friendly. Then you head into the flows section. Every flow starts with a blank canvas and a start node. From there, you just add steps: messages, multiple choice questions, contact forms, or a step that hands things off to an agent. You connect these blocks to shape the customer journey. Depending on what they choose, or whether your team's online, the flow sends them to the right next step. And on your website, customers move through this one step at a time. Only if they really need a human does it escalate to your team. Now, you can also plug AI answers anywhere in the flow. To set that up, you go to AI agents and configure AI answers. This is where you upload documents, add snippets, connect Notion, or even turn on your Hiver knowledge base. The AI learns from all of it. Once the AI responds, you decide what happens next, whether the flow continues or whether it hands off to an agent. Before you go live, you can test everything in Playground. Ask a few questions, check the responses, make sure routing works, then just save the flow and toggle it on. And that's it. It's live and helping real customers. On the agent side, your team can even see chats the bot is handling and jump in if something needs attention. When a conversation escalates, it shows up with full context: bot replies, customer info, everything. Last thing, chat analytics. This is where you get the full picture: chat volumes, resolutions, traffic patterns. You can see how many chats came in each day, response and resolution times, and CSAT scores for each agent. It's super useful for staffing decisions, spotting bottlenecks, and coaching your team. All right, that's the full tour. Live chat in Hiver Omni is quick to set up, easy to manage, and honestly, kind of fun once you get the hang of it. Go ahead, try it out, and yeah, I'll see you in the next unboxing Hiver session.